Konichiwa Minasan. Spring has come to the Japanese Alps, and welcome back to our house in Japan. Gone are the days of shoveling snow, so that means it's time to renovate. As you know, 2 years ago I purchased this house on the Japanese IKEA abandoned house bank, sight unseen, based upon a GoPro video from a friend, and I have zero regrets. Every couple weeks on this channel I try to post videos on renovations, some of the fun facts, some of the fun finds, and also some discussions about some of the issues currently facing the area. Let's take a look at some of the fun that we have planned for this year. Let's go. Outside of the house we have a lot of work to do, whether it's building new composting systems, reclaiming massive amounts of garden, new storm shutter protections for winter, or more gardening. Living in snow country, winter is always coming. There used to be a plastic and wooden structure here to create a barrier for the snow. The wooden structure was rotten, the plastic is in storage. We're already planning for next year's downfall. Snow downfall, yeah. Sadly, there's also going to be a bit of demolition. The upstairs washroom floor is rotten. This whole structure has got to go. We'll also make sure to take the time to enjoy some of the buildings, monuments, and some of the history around us. We're also going to be exploring the valley, looking at some of the traditional IKEA's abandoned houses. We might even explore an abandoned hotel. Ooh. Bringing you inside of the house for some of the work that we have to do here. So coming through the Genkan, you can see I have a bit of water damage up here. Might need to redo the whole roof in gyps. We're gonna see. I've looked forward to working on this kitchen ever since I saw it. What we're gonna be doing is removing the 1970s Showa era wood cladding, and we're gonna be exposing the 150-year-old Meiji era wooden beams. Climbing up into the old part of the house, I want to do a bit of a deep search, look into the old marriage cabinets, take a look at these old records and gramophone machines, take a look at what was left from the previous generations. The Washitsu, old part of the house, is more or less finished. I kind of want to leave it how it is and try to keep this part of the house traditional. So I don't know how much work I'll be doing in here other than maybe a few decorations to personalize it. But there will be a few nights of sake in the tea room. The miso room is going to get repurposed. The big jugs will be turned into a kitchen island and most likely a coffee table, while this room will get painted and turned into a sauna to get ready for next winter. Coming upstairs, what I want to do is create a hidden bookshelf doorway to then enter in to the old part of the house. Coming through, gotta watch your head. Coming into the old part of the house, I have a lot of plans for this area. I want to put in a solid floor, insulate the roof, and then I want to turn it into a games room for the boys. So this should be fun, but it might actually take more than just this summer. This might be a few years in the making. We'll see. It'll be good. What does every master bedroom need? A bed. Last year my neighbor was demolishing his barn and asked if we wanted any of the wood to be salvaged. We gladly picked up some massive beams, so why don't we try our hand at woodworking and make something new?